Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out, so please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Looks like a slow morning for me as I'm not seeing good setups pre-market. But I do have tickers PLTR, ticker BFT, ticker Laser, and TPGY on my watch list, but none of them is giving me an A quality setup. BFT as usual is having a ton of pre-market volume, almost 4 million shares traded. Clearly it's overcrowded and it's not holding the trend. The pre-market high was around $16 and now it's at $15.36. It's clearly not holding the uptrend, so that puts BFT on the back burner for now. I'm also watching PLTR and Laser. PLTR looks interesting as we have volume and it's holding its trend. Next I have Laser. Laser is on a downtrend, so I'll keep it aside for now. The final one I have is TPGY. TPGY is also looking good, but volume is low. I'll be interested in it only if volume comes in. So as of now, PLTR would be my primary watch going into market open. The market opens in another 10 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. Alright, the market opens in a minute and PLTR would be my primary watch going into market open. I would love PLTR to give me a pullback. I do have some support levels identified, which is around $28, $27.80. The market is open. The stock is clearly having some trouble at these levels. I'll wait. I'm in at $27.98, my first ad. My next ad would be around $27.80, but I'll wait. So $27.76, I did not get my fill. I was a little late to get my second ad, but that's okay. I'm waiting. So it clearly respected my support levels. I did not get my second ad. I'm expecting a profit target of 28.20 area, so that's why I'm waiting. I'm not selling. Watching it closely. I'm selling. So I got out at 28.12 on a market order. Had I got my second ad, this would have been a perfect winner. Just putting in an order out there at APXT. So I am interested in getting in again at 14.30. Maybe this would have been a bad trade from my part. Yep, I'm in at 14.30. And my final ad would be around 14.15. Just putting an order on 14.15. Oh, let me make it 14.18. Just want to make sure I get that ad as well. I did not get that third ad. The low was 14.19. I'll cancel my 14.18 order for now because it was bouncing off that level. I'm expecting the stock to retest a $0.50 area, 14.50. I'm watching. Maybe today would be a losing day. I'm not going to add again on APXT. I don't want to average in on a stock that's on a downtrend. It's clearly trading below the previous day's close. On this stock, I was expecting this red candle to be a dip because it was a red to green move, and the red candle followed by the green candle I was expecting that to be a dip, but clearly this caught me in. But if the stock wants to try a red to green move, I would exit the first opportunity. I'm not going to add in, and I'm going to have a stop loss around 30.94. That would be my stop loss. So I'm selling the entire position if the stock goes below $13.94. So disaster mode on. APXT was actually a long trap. As you could see here at market open, volume came in and the stock was pushing higher. And the second candle, the second 5-minute candle was a red candle. And I mistaked this for a dip and bought the dip, and I had to pay the price for it. So it was clearly a trap for the longs. And I don't want to hold on to the stock. I'll cut my loser and I'll move on. I just have 60 shares. So not a big loser. I'll cut the loser at $13.95. That's the plan. Yep, I'm out of the trade. Thank God I got a fill at $13.92. So now you see how much the stock is dropping. And that's the advantage of having a stop loss. So clearly I think I managed my risk here well. I had a plan. I did not add in. So even though it's a losing trade, I did stick to my rules. I did not average in. I did not add to my loser. I just had 60 shares. I'm down $23 on the day. It is what it is. I think I'll call it a day. I don't want to revenge trade. So not a big deal losing almost $23 on the day. I can always make it back. Moreover, I don't see any quality setups that fits my strategy. So I'll stay away from the market for now. Today was not a great day of trading. I did not find any quality setups. PLTR obviously gave me a quality setup, but since I did not have enough cash, I could go in only with limited shares. And I think that was a benefit as well, because on APXT, if I was going with full size, I would have ended up with a much bigger loser. I would take what the market gives and would live another day to trade. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.